Hey guys, it's Chris L, Lightspeed Digital Media, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can manage your groups in Facebook. So before I continue, I'd love it if you could just smash the like button below and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates. So one of the things that I recommend in Facebook is to start your own group up. That way you can literally invite your ideal avatar or your ideal client into your group and then build a following, a tribe, whatever you want to call it. So my group currently, Facebook Ads and Funnel Mastermind, is at, we just hit 8,000 today, which is absolutely fantastic. So we're currently getting about 600 members a week. And with so many members, we need to set some kind of rules to make sure we're not being spammed on a regular basis. So I'm going to run through how we do that in Facebook, and I'm going to also show you some additional things that Facebook have brought in. So once you come into your group, which obviously you've set up, if you haven't set up a group, then I suggest you get that set up. You're definitely going to need to set up a group, especially in 2021. It's just the way Facebook is pushing things at the moment, and I highly recommend it. But on the left-hand side, you can see you come to your group. My group is Facebook Ads, and then you come to Admin Tools on the left-hand side. So Admin Assist, that's what we're going to be talking about shortly. I'm actually going to be doing, going into a little bit more detail on this in a second. But underneath that, you've got member requests. That's members who have requested to join your group. If you've got it on automatic member approvals, what that means is if somebody wants to join your group, it will automatically approve. If you don't want to do that, then they ask to join your group, and then you can set them some questions, which comes to this point here, membership questions. You can ask them questions to see if they fill out what questions that you require. Maybe you want to collect email addresses for email marketing. Maybe you just want to make sure that people are not spamming. You can ask whatever questions you want in your membership question request before they join. So and then that is kind of how that works. Pending posts is when people have actually joined your group, they can put posts into the group, or what I do is any posts come to me, and then I have to say yay or nay if they're going to go into the group. And the reason I do that is basically to make sure that there's no spamming, there's no self-promotion, and it's just purely about Facebook Ads and Funnel Mastermind group. If you keep it strict, then you'll find that you'll get more interaction with people, and people will realize that it's a proper professional group, and we're getting good questions and good answers. Schedule posts, if you want to schedule posts, you can do that in Facebook. The other thing you can do is you've got activity log, group rules, member reporting content. So say a member is not abiding by the rules, another member can report them to you, and then you can decide what to do with that content. Moderation alerts, group quality, the quality of the group. Grow group, if you want to grow group, is another thing that Facebook are promoting, is how to grow your group. Settings goes into the back end of your Facebook group page. Growth shows you how fast you've been growing, gives you a little bit more detail, as well as membership and guides. So an admin, if you want to add more admins or moderators into the group, you can do that. But this video, what I'm going to be talking about is Admin Assist. So as your group gets bigger, you're going to have a lot more people trying to spam in your group. So what I would suggest is coming into your group, clicking on Admin Assist, and what this does, it basically it declines over a certain bit of criteria. So if you click on the Admin Assist, assign actions for Admin Assist to perform automatically on your behalf. So what you can do, click on here, and it gives you three options: spam posts, posts from fake accounts, or posts that violate group rules. So let's just click on the spam post and see what that comes up with. Posts containing certain keywords. So one of the things that we get a lot of people trying to spam is cryptocurrency. So you could put in that, and Facebook will block that. Authors do not have a profile picture. If they don't have a picture, then Facebook again will sort that out. Posts contain fewer than 10 characters. Posts contains light to specific sites. So you can get quite specific with what you want to do. Posts from fake accounts, you can click on that, and author does not have a profile picture. Author has had their face account for 3 months or less. You can do that for a month or whatever criteria you want to do. And then posts that violate group rules. So again, you can set some more criteria. Author has had their Facebook account for 1 month or less. We've said that. Violated group rules in the last 28 days. posts contain reshared content, which happens all the time in social media. And then once you click on these buttons, you then apply the criteria, and there you go. Then you've kind of got an automation that Facebook will then run to kind of help you to look after your group. So like I said, once you're starting off in a group, you probably won't need these, but when your group starts getting, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 members, I'm at 8,000 members, we're getting 500 to 600 people joining the group a week, and I'm getting a lot more spam in the group. So you've got to control that. You've got to make sure the quality of your group is up to the standard that you require. And also don't forget you're inviting people into your group and you are the master of your group. It's basically you can do or say whatever you want in a group, allow whatever you post you want into the group, but I will suggest keeping it relevant to the subject. So we are Facebook Ads and Funnel Mastermind, and that's what the content is all about. We sometimes have motivational things in there, but generally the stuff is kind of like, social media. So I hope that's kind of made sense if you've got a group. And basically, if you have any questions, then just let me know. Before I go, we have a Facebook ads agency, and we basically provide a service if you're looking to have your ads run for you or social media. We provide Facebook ads, funnels through something called Kartra. We build funnels for clients, and also Google AdWords. So if you're looking for any of the above or any additional information, then feel free to click on the link below. I'll put a link in the group, and hopefully we'll speak to you guys soon. Hope you like the video. Posts and comments, really helpful, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Take care. Bye.